2026 is here, and the way we code has changed forever. Last year, we were impressed by AI that could write a function. Today, we have AI agents, autonomous entities that can plan, execute, and debug entire projects while you sleep. Are junior developers in trouble? Let's find out. What are AI agents? Unlike basic LLMs that wait for your prompt, AI agents are proactive. Think of it like this. A standard AI is a calculator. An AI agent is an accountant. They use tools, search the web, and even interact with your local file system to complete a goal. Whether it's fixing a bug in your Python script or optimizing a complex Kden live render, agents are doing the heavy lifting. The shift from coding to prompting intent. In 2026, the paradigm has shifted from writing code to expressing intent. Instead of writing 100 lines of CSS, you tell your agent, build me a responsive dashboard with a dark theme and real-time data visualization. The agent doesn't just give you the code, it creates the files, installs the dependencies, and launches the dev server for you. Top Tools to Watch, 2026 edition. Several tools are leading this revolution. GitHub Copilot now has dedicated agents for security and testing. Devin 2.0 is being hailed as the first AI software engineer. And for the open source community, tools like OpenDevin are allowing developers to run powerful agentic workflows locally. The reality check: human plus AI. So is manual coding dead? Not exactly. AI agents still hallucinate and struggle with complex logic. The most successful developers in 2026 aren't the ones who fight AI. They are the orchestrators. They know how to guide the agents, review the output, and handle the high-level architecture. The future of programming is agentic. The question is, are you ready to lead the team? Let me know in the comments. Have you tried an AI agent yet? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. See you in the next on.